So let me show you how you get started on the nose bridge. So this is where we stopped. Then we need to count 22 stitches to the left until we are here. And here's where you want to attach the yarn. So go get your crochet hook through here. You can remove the stitch marker. Then grab the tail and make a little loop. Yes, and while holding it a bit tight, you chain one. Tighten it. And the pattern starts out with 5 single crochets, so I'm going to put my first single crochet into this stitch where I attached my yarn. And you just continue to follow the pattern for the nose bridge.